guys, welcome to my channel, Thea Vlogs. My name is Thea and today we're going to be making two fun experiments. So let me tell you the safety rules. First, you need to have a trusted adult near you. Number two, you need to clear your surroundings, and if you don't do that, this will happen. You must always follow these rules at all time. Okay, I have a guest. Ta-da! It's my Auntie Catherine.
Hello.
So,
You ready for the experiment?
yes, the first experiment is going to be a monster lava lamp. So here are the things you'll be needing.
The first thing you will need is
A monster cup.
you can decorate it as scary as you like.
Next, some water,
We've already added the food coloring to it,
but you can put any color. And oil,
which is a half a cup of oil.
and half a cup of water.
And finally, the magic tablet, which does the magic, the effervescence tablet. Okay. And our little scientist here is going to make this fun experiment. Go for it.
Okay, first you need half a cup of water.
Perfect.
Next, half a cup of oil.
Beautiful.
And then
We have our little magic tablet that's gonna make the magic.
3, 2, 1.
Abracadabra!
Voila!
And
This is how you make the monster lava lamp.
That was fun, wasn't it?
I know.
Do you want to do another experiment?
Sure.
Do you want to explain to them what we're doing next?
Yes, this is going to be a kaboom experiment.
A kaboom?
Yeah.
So you make sure you're going to be very careful.
You need to have an adult next to you at all times. So first, you need a tall glass with rubbing alcohol in it.
A tea light candle.
And some water with colouring. You can choose any colour, but we chose
green. So before you start the experiment, make sure you put the alcohol away for safety.
Now we're going to add a tea light candle. Can you help me, please?
Sure.
Here comes the kaboom!
Did you see the kaboom?
Yes, it's actually fun!
So that comes to the end of our experiment.
Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed both the experiments. And have fun trying it at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Goodbye!